With SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm highlighting this wonderful Rolex Datejust that I just found in our inventory. This is a 26mm Ladies Datejust. It's on the Oyster bracelet, which I personally love because I love how casual it is. It's got a smooth bezel, which again, I love the casual look, so this is definitely up my alley. And as you can see, it's two-tone, so I think that's a great choice for ladies who have a lot of different types of jewelry and want to wear a watch that will match with all of them. So if you wear a lot of silver, then you can match it with the silver and the stainless steel, or if you wear a lot of yellow gold, it will also match with yellow gold jewelry. It's a really great watch that you can wear with a lot of different pieces in your collection. It's also got this beautiful black sunburst dial, which I think is great and adds a lot of interest and detail and texture to otherwise plain black dial. And as you can see, as I move it around, it kind of flashes, it catches that light in a different way, and it just looks beautiful. It's also got gold Roman numerals, which is perfect for telling the time against this nice black dial and the classic Rolex date window. All in all, I think this is a really great watch. It's something that, it's not something you see every day, it's not a combination that you see every day, but I think that's what makes it perfect for someone who's looking for a Rolex watch that's just a little bit different and has a lot of cool quirks about it. This is a great watch, and you should definitely check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.